Hey, a big shout out for Wesley, $1 billion virgin here. I have been watching his videos, his trainings, and his overnight millionaire program. It's amazing. I would like to ask everyone to go on it. It's life-changing. He proved it to himself that this thing works, and it's really amazing. Yeah, actually, I'm very proud of his achievement, and hope to see more. Okay, so what I would like to discuss in this channel, my new channel, is that it's it's about the power of your mind. Power of your mind. So this channel will be about how to achieve your goals. I have achieved some of my wildest dreams using creative visualization. So I'll be talking more about this. So it's about desiring something, visualizing it, expecting it, make it, and achieve it. Actually look at it and see it as achieved. So we'll discuss more of that in the coming days. Stay tuned and see you soon.